Hi guys, how are you all doing? A very happy Valentine's Day from my side. Even if you're dating someone, even if you're not, you're single, I just hope that love finds you in form of a good partner, healthy friendships, healthy family. I just hope कि आप लोगों को ये feeling महसूस हो because it's a very beautiful feeling. And talking about me, I was not feeling my best from past few days, but today my Mrunu sent me this, a flower bouquet of roses, and my day is made, my month is made, my life is made because I have such friends in my life and I feel so grateful. This is so cute and I'm gonna keep it safe with me. अभी मैं इनको अपनी वैनिटी पे रखूंगी, फिर इसको मैं अपनी डायरी में रखूंगी because this is so special to me. And फिर जब मैंने ये देखा मेरा मूड सही हुआ, then I thought it's okay, let everything go and let's just concentrate back to our work. And I'm back here with another haul जो आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, my Nykaa Pink Sale haul. And I'm so excited because मैंने सामान अभी खोला भी नहीं है. It is as it is, जैसा वो आया था अभी ऑर्डर वैसे के वैसा पड़ा हुआ है. So let's unbox them together. Let's unbox the first box. ये तो छोटा सा है, I don't know इसके अंदर होगा क्या. The first thing that we have is, so the first thing that I've got is this pink gua sha from the Nykaa Pink Love sale. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Plus, I love doing gua sha because it's so good. ये lymphatic drainage आपकी blood circulation को improve करता है and I feel really very relaxed whenever I do it. हफ्ते में मैं 2-3 बारी gua sha करती हूँ normally, face oil use करके या फिर अपना moisturizer use करके. Then I move it in a certain way on my face, around my cheeks and on my forehead. I feel that मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ा है जो मेरी forehead पे lines थी उनके लिए and for my lymphatic drainage. So I use gua sha 3 to 4 times a week and now I'll use this one. पहले तो मैं थोड़ा वो cheap वाला use करी थी but this is for rupees 399. इससे महंगे भी है but I feel that this will do the work for me. Now let's unbox the second parcel. Also this is completely unsponsored video. मैं फिर से बोल दूँ, I love Nykaa so much. Whenever they put up any kind of sale, मैं हमेशा purchase करती हूँ because I'm so crazy for them. Nykaa people, if you're watching this is your sign. I love you so much. And let's just unbox our second parcel now. Let's see. Oh, okay. Got it. So we have 2 things in it. So the first thing is this Caudalie Instant Detox Mask. If you follow me, you know that I am crazy for pores वाला जो skin care या फिर pores वाले जो products होते हैं and I'm the first one to use them. मतलब अपनी नज़रों में मैं पहली होती हूँ and I just review a lot of pores वाले product because I have a lot of pores on or near my nose areas. So this one mask was really popular for pores. मेरे Instagram पे बाहर के creators की videos आती रहती थी. So I just wanted to give it a try because people used to rate it 10 on 10 and इतना ज़्यादा उनके pores improve होते थे इससे. So I just thought of ordering it because अभी राइट टाइम था ऑर्डर करने का. So this was originally for rupees 2600 and I got it for 2300. 300 रुपए कम है, which I feel is a good deal because I really wanted to try it. The second thing that I got is this Porefessional Benefit का प्राइमर है. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर था. अगर आप लोगों को आइडिया होगा, एक वीडियो वायरल हुई थी जिसमें लड़की ने अपने पोर्स पे ये प्राइमर अप्लाई किया था स्पैचुला से and her pores instantly disappeared. So I was really very curious and excited to try this one. Although this is a little expensive, it's for rupees 1251, which is originally for rupees 1390. I got it for rupees 1251, but I feel size बहुत छोटा है. I just hope that this product is worth it. I really feel बहुत ज़्यादा सस्पेंस रह जाएगा अगर मैं प्रोडक्ट ये वाला यूज़ करके ना दिखाऊँ और सिर्फ बोलूँ कि हाँ ये बहुत ज़्यादा हाइप प्रोडक्ट था and I'm so excited to try it. I just wanted to try it in front of you guys to see the first reaction क्योंकि मतलब मैं भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा excited भी हूँ इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में and if it doesn't work I'll be really very disappointed also. So let's just try it together. Okay, so the moment of truth. I'm just gonna apply this इतना सा अपने nose के side and I'm gonna see. Okay, it did work. I don't know if you guys are able to see it through the camera, but it did work. दिख रहा है इस साइड शाइन है और इस साइड नहीं है, ब्लरिंग इफेक्ट दिया है इसने एकदम से. सो and now I'm unboxing my another parcel, which again I have no idea कि इसमें क्या है. Okay, so I got these viral Mars matte mousse lipsticks. ये बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर थी इंडियन क्रिएटर्स के बीच में. बहुत सारे लोग इससे वो लिप कॉम्बोज बना के डाल रहे थे and I was so excited about them. Let me just open one with you guys because I don't want कि कोई भी सस्पेंस में जाए यहाँ से कि क्या है, अनबॉक्सिंग नहीं करी ढंग से. So this is the shade. It looks very pretty. So this is the shade Love Lady and it looks so pretty. मुझे दुख हो रहा है इसको अपने हाथ पे वेस्ट करने के लिए and I feel that this shade is gonna suit me so well and I love it. I love Mars products because they are so affordable और हर बारी अपने new launch के साथ Mars मुझे shock करती है, but I really love their products and I can't wait to make few lip combos with them because मैंने इस बारी lip liners भी मंगाए हैं. Because if you follow me on Instagram or if you follow me on YouTube and you've seen my shorts, I am a girly जो आप लोगों को बार बार lip combos suggest करती है, nude lip combos, brown lip combos. So I love doing that for you guys and whenever my girls text me कि बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था या फिर मुझे picture भेजती है, I feel so happy and proud. So I can't wait to style these two. ये थोड़े से dark है मेरे लिए but I love this one. Now comes the big parcel. Let me just मैंने अपना कटर ही गुम कर दिया. Oh, here it is, my cute cutter. एक ये वाला पाउच है इसमें जिसमें है. Okay, so they have sent me some freebies. ये तो मैंने ऑर्डर नहीं किया था. इन दिस पार्सल these two are gifts. मैंने ये फेस शॉप से कुछ चीज़ मंगाई थी, उसके साथ उन्होंने मुझे ये वाइट सीड ब्राइटनिंग सीरम दिया है which I really wanted to try but मैं ले नहीं रही थी इसको सेल पे because मुझे वही होता है कि नई चीज़ क्या ट्राई करनी है, अभी सिर्फ वही रीस्टॉक करती हूँ जो पहले की चीज़ें हैं मेरे पास. बट आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई इट बिकॉज द फेस शॉप इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट ब्रांड्स. मैंने उसका मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ किया है एंड आई लव इट. वो एक स्टैपल है मेरी स्किन केयर रूटीन में. ऑल्सो शुगर वालों ने मुझे एक लिपस्टिक साथ में फ्री भी भेजी है बिकॉज आई ऑर्डर्ड 2 लिप लाइनर्स फ्रॉम देम. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू क्रिएट सम लिप कॉम्बोज फॉर यू ऑल. सो या दिस इज़ what I have got and then there's this big parcel. इसमें देखते हैं क्या है. So the first lip liner is from Pack Cosmetics. I got it for rupees 196. This was for rupees 245. It's in the shade brown. Okay, I really like it. Maybe you guys won't be able to see it over there but you can see it here. It's a pretty nude shade. मैंने brown मंगाया था but I guess ये उन्होंने nude shade भेज दिया but I really like this one. Next one is this Miss Claire brown lip liner again. Brown is really good for lining your lips. Brown जो shade होती है because it looks very good with all the nude lip shades. So मतलब मेरे पास brown ज़्यादा थे नहीं liners, so I was really looking forward to this one. This was originally for rupees 65 and I got it for rupees 55. So let's just see कि इतने सस्ते में ये कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. अब तो थोड़ा सा मेरा पहले वाला वो भी रह गया है but let's just okay, not bad. See, this is what I was talking about. Brown with nude looks so beautiful on its own. Oh my god, it looks so pretty right now. I'm not able to see because मुझे स्पेक्स लगी हुई है, मेरा दूर का विजन इतना अच्छा नहीं है but just look at it. It looks so pretty and for just rupees 55 you need to get this. लिपस्टिक में अप्लाई करके दिखाती हूँ आपको because वो दिख जाएगी. So this is how the lip crayon looks like and I feel so happy whenever I find some good lipstick या फिर lip combos. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है and I'm so happy with this sugar lip crayon and the Mars lipstick जो मैंने मंगाई because both of them look so beautiful on me and बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि सारी lip shades मेरे skin tone को compliment करे but these two look so nice on me. As you can see, अभी इस outfit के साथ obviously it won't look that nice. अगर आप imagine करो एक black top मैंने पहना है या फिर red top मैंने पहना है and I'm wearing this beautiful brown nude lip shade with that. Now we have the last big parcel. So we have a lot of stuff in this parcel. Let me just open this one first. I don't even remember कि मैंने क्या क्या मंगाया. Okay, so these are 2 lip liners. One is from Miss Claire and the second one is from, I don't know, इसका नाम ही छुप गया. So I have ordered a lot of liners. Again, I'm telling you because I really wanted to try a lot of lip combos. So this is for that. Then I restocked my favorite hair growth serum. Multi-peptide serum for hair density from the Ordinary. Ordinary, I have talked about this so much. मतलब तुम लोगों को तो मुझे pay करना चाहिए अब इसके लिए because but I don't mind talking about products that are literally so good. मैं इसको हर दूसरे दिन use करती हूँ and I really love it and I swear by it. Okay, so I got it for rupees 1300 and whenever I repurchase anything या फिर मैं कुछ भी restock करती हूँ, I make sure to restock this one because I love it so much and I cannot run out of it. मैं नहीं चाहती कि ये मतलब मेरा ख़त्म हो और फिर मैं बैठ के दुखी हूँ. I have also gifted this to my parents because again it's so good. Okay, so I got this concealer from K by Katrina. I have heard a lot about this brand कि ये बहुत अच्छी brand है और मैंने इसकी lipstick use करी थी Panache. It's so nice. The texture, the color, the shade, the way it looked on me, I really loved it. The only thing I am worried about कि ये मेरी shade हो बस because I'm really bad at, you know, ये shade selection. So let's just hope that this is my shade. Moment of truth. I feel this is my shade. Okay, so this is for rupees 849 but I got it for rupees 639, which I feel is a good deal. Yeah, I really like it. I really love कि इसने एकदम से यहाँ पे मेरा जो थोड़ी सी darkness थी उसको cover कर दिया. Also, I have this acne, so let me just cover this with it. Just to show you guys, ऐसा नहीं है मुझे acne marks अपने cover करने या फिर मुझे पसंद नहीं है, but yeah, pretty good coverage. So yeah, I like it. And then I got this another product from K by Katrina, which is this contour stick. मेरे दोस्त ये use करते हैं and I have heard a lot about it. Plus, I am not so good in contouring. I must say one thing that the packaging was very tough to open and I really love it because उसी से फिर मतलब तुम्हारे products अच्छे से safe रहते हैं. But this is how it looks like and I feel that this is gonna look good on my skin tone. Yes, it is. K by Katrina पे बहुत अच्छी सेल लगी हुई थी. मतलब I got this also for rupees 544, which is originally for rupees 725. 25% off पे मिला, which is a very good deal because it's really nice. It's in the shade Caramel Focus, and again I am telling you that this looks so good on my skin tone, and it's so simple to use and I love it. It's a staple in my makeup routine. So there's this moisturizer जो मैं use करती हूँ The Face Shop का. I really love this. ये बहुत अच्छा glow provide करता है and मैं इसको अपनी day to day life में यही वाला moisturizer use करती हूँ. If you have watched my skincare videos before, you must know that this is the Face Shop moisturizer. It is originally for rupees 1300 but I got it for rupees 1187 on sale. But I don't care because it's my favorite. तो मुझे बस इसको restock करना था. So the next product is this Tir milk toner. This is for rupees 350. इस पे कोई भी off नहीं था but I really wanted to try it. And मैं ना normally नहीं shop करती हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे कुछ चीज़ दिखती भी है, मन भी करता है खरीदने का, तो भी मैं avoid करती हूँ. जब मैं सेल पे चीज़ें देख रही होती हूँ ना और मुझे कोई ऐसी चीज़ भी दिखती है जो सेल पे नहीं है but I was, you know, I wanted it from so long, तो मैं बस order कर लेती हूँ. So this is one of that product and I love toners so much. मेरे पास 3 toner है और मैं तीनों यूज़ करती हूँ अलग अलग दिन पे. एंड नाउ दिस इज add on to those 3. I am so excited to try it because Tir is a very good brand. मैंने उनका वो tint try किया है face tint and I really love it. So I am looking forward to trying this. So the next thing is this matte poreless Fit Me Maybelline primer. मेरे पास कोई भी primer नहीं था, and if you're someone who is new to makeup or new to skincare, new to makeup basically, you need primer. Primer is a very important step. ये तुम्हारे मतलब pores और उन सबको अच्छे से cover करता है so that the makeup does not sink into your skin according to me. So you need to have a good primer, and this was on 200 off, so I got it. This is the Maybelline Fit Me primer, and मुझे मरूनू ने suggest किया था, and I know that she's a pro and वो कभी भी कुछ गलत suggest नहीं करेगी. So I got it, and इसको 4.4 rating भी मिला है. So I really liked it, and देखते हैं अब use करके कि मेरा क्या review रहता है. But this was originally for rupees 619 and I got it for rupees 557, which I feel is a good deal. So yeah. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And total मैंने इस सब पे around 11k spend किया है, and I don't regret it. My mom would kill me, but I feel so happy कि मुझे किसी भी product ने disappoint नहीं किया, and I feel so happy about each one of them, and I can't wait to try them. Also, I feel so grateful with the response on my last YouTube video जो मैंने post किया था about my acne skincare routine, जिससे मुझे पता लगा that you guys are so interested in my skincare routine and all my hacks and things that I suggest you works well on your skin type too. And I feel so happy and grateful about it, and I can't wait to post more skincare content. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, I'll share all the links in the description below. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.